Equilibrium is defined as the condition when the vector sum of all the forces, resultant or net force, acting on an object is zero. There are two types of equilibrium. First, static equilibrium that shows system at rest or not moving. Second, dynamic equilibrium which is moving with uniform velocity. Two necessary conditions for static equilibrium of a rigid body. First, the resultant of force is zero. Second, the resultant moment is zero. So, we will show you guys the concept of equilibrium for a rigid body in our daily life.
Hey, look! There is seesaw!
Wow!
Woo! I'm so excited! Let's go! Okay, as we can see here, there's a two kids that playing the seesaw right now, and I'm going to explain to you guys what is the connection between the seesaw and the concept of equilibrium for a rigid body in physics. So the seesaw here is the lever, while the point which at the pivot is the fulcrum. The lever here shows the mechanical equilibrium. R, the reaction of the support from the fulcrum is directed opposite the forces F1 and F2, and at R minus F1 minus F2 is equals to 0. We can see here that the rigid body is attained to the translational equilibrium.
In physics, torque is a measure of the tendency of a force to rotate an object about an axis. It is also known as the moment of force. The mathematical expression for torque is given by torque equals to R times F. Torque is crucial in understanding the rotational motion of objects, and it plays a fundamental role in various phenomena, from the operation of tools and machinery to the dynamics of rotating objects in physics. Moment is calculated as F, the product of force applied, and R, the lever arm, which is the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation to the point where the force is applied. Mathematically, it's expressed as moment equals to R times F, same as torque equation. Torque is the rotational equivalent of force. It represents the measure of the tendency of a force to rotate an object about an axis. And the SI unit for moment is the Newton meter, Nm. In summary, when discussing the moment in the context of torque, it refers to the rotational effect of a force applied to an object, influencing its tendency to rotate around an axis. Finally, statics refer to the branch of mechanics that deals with objects at rest and the force acting on them without considering their motion. It primarily focuses on the equilibrium of objects and structures. Statics play a vital role in engineering, architecture, and various fields where the analysis of structure and system at rest is necessary. It provides the foundation for designing stable structure and predicting their behavior under different conditions.
Surah Ar-Rahman ayat 7-9 doesn't directly discuss the concept of equilibrium for a rigid body. However, you can draw a metaphorical connection to equilibrium by highlighting the theme of balance and order in these verses. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان. These verses emphasize the idea of balance and justice, which can be metaphorically linked to the equilibrium of a rigid body. In the physical realm, equilibrium involves balance and stability, just as these verses emphasize maintaining balance and justice in our action.